Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Niklix. So today we are going to start with a tutorial of Python. So first of all, for developing an Python application, you have to download the software known as PyCharm. So I have downloaded the software and installed the software in my system. So the first of all, I have created a new project in my PyCharm, and on the project I have to do a right click, a Python file. Let's name this file as first. So the first.py is the default extension of a Python file. So starting with the first part, if we have to print or output an hello world on my screen, what I have to write here is print as, and in the bracket, in the double quotes, I have to enter here is write here is hello world. So if I'm going to run this application, how I'm going to run this application is I have to do right click on my first.py file and run first. So here is the output. I have received an hello world output in my console output. So this way we can print any text in my Python. So talking about the next is the variables, how we have to declare the variables. So in Python, every variable is a loosely bounded. So just I have taken a variable and a equals to 10, and in the next very line I will print a. So if I'm going to run this, the 10 variable is printed. So as I have told you that all the variables are loosely bounded, so if I'm going to write here as a equals to abc, so now the value is the string that I have assigned to the variable a. So if I'm going to write here as print a, it will also print abc. So as you know that in the above example, that in the above part I have declared a variable as 10, means that variable is an integer variable. The a is automatically assigned an integer value, and the next part I have assigned a variable as a string value. So automatically Python has converted that a variable into the string part. So all the variables are loosely bounded. So uh, you notice one thing, that if I'm going to print a variable, uh, I have printed here a as 10, and in the next line I have printed here as a as abc. So automatically it comes to the next line. If I want the abc is to be printed in the same line, so what I have to do here is I have to put here as comma and equals to double quotes. So I have to leave here double quotes. What it will be doing is it will just not break the a, the way this particular line. So if I'm going to run this, see, first of all the a is printed, then the next line is being skipped, and in the same line the abc is printed. So by default, everything after printing any variable, the next line is being started. If I want that the on the same line it will be printed, so I have to use here is as end equals to double quotes. So now moving to the next part, if I'm going to declare the comments in Python, is for that I have to put here as hash. And now if I'm going to print here is this is the comment part. So if I'm going to run this, so it is not been printed. So if you want to declare any comment in Python, so you have to, what you have to do is you have to place a hash in front of that particular line, so that particular line will be marked as a comment. So thank you for watching my video, and just subscribe to my channel for all the Python and the machine learning updates. Thanks.